Today I have the story of, I don't know if it's the biggest failure in the automotive industry or if it's the reason to one of the most successful businesses ever. I will tell you a story of a car probably you've never seen or heard of, but it's very famous and popular car. Confusing, right? No worries, I will clear things up. Prior to 2010, Tesla was a small automaker producing a very limited number of cars and was in its early stages. Tesla didn't even have its own factory, but Elon Musk always was looking for opportunity to expand and manufacture cars in-house. Mass production was his goal. Then, here we go. Boom! Exactly what he was looking for. In May 2010, Tesla purchased a Tesla factory in Fremont, California from Toyota for $42 million. And the very next month, in June, the company became public in the stock market, raising $226 million. Wasting no time, Tesla opened the factory in October of the same year, 2010, to start the production of the Model S. So, in May purchased the factory, in June went public, in October opened the factory. Just notice how fast the progress was going, and that gives you indication that something big is cooking. And by the way, if you invested $10,000 in Tesla stock that day it went public and sold it today, you could have had $3 million right now sitting in your bank account. But you decided to follow your desires and spend your money on vacation. Come on, man. Anyway, my friend, I don't want to make you feel guilty. Honestly, you should. But part of that factory deal agreement was a joint production of electric car between Toyota, Tesla, and a third company. And the million-dollar question is... Excuse me, sir, excuse me. No smoking here. Ma'am. Tickets clearly say no kids allowed. Extra diaper? No, we don't have diapers here. We do? I used one? Good condition? Yeah, just give it to her. Who was that third company? Microsoft, Nintendo, Panasonic, or Burger King? The answer is Panasonic. Tesla and Panasonic designed and produced the battery and the electric powertrain to be installed on a Toyota RAV4 body. After just 3 weeks of signing the agreement, the first prototype was built. And that could be an indication that the car was being rushed. That agreement meant to benefit both sides. Tesla wanted the factory from Toyota, plus they needed their experience in mass production, while Toyota was behind in EV technology and saw opportunity in Tesla to take some of their technology instead of starting from scratch. The RAV4 EV was released in September 2012 with a starting price of $50,000. That car doesn't look anywhere near that price. There is no way I'm spending $50,000 on that. It's not attractive, not luxurious. The EPA range sucks, was about 100 miles per charge. But sure thing, the actual range is less than that, which is too low, and people not interested in such a low range where you basically have to charge the car daily for 6 hours. The electric RAV4 was sold only in California, which is a very small market, and the demand was weak. They couldn't attract enough consumers to spend over $50,000 for such a limited car. And the million-dollar question is... a bathroom? Just do it outside, behind the big tree. And yeah, when you're done, don't come back to the studio. Within 2 years of producing the electric RAV4, how many units were sold? 2 million, 1 million, 400,000, or 2,500? The answer is 2,500. Within 2 years, less than 2,500 cars were sold before they ended the production in 2014. This extreme failure was the base for a later success for both companies. Tesla got the factory they wanted. They learned more about mass production, and after that, the company took off on its own and never stopped. Tesla's market cap in 2012 was around $4 billion, while Tesla's market cap today is over $800 billion. But now it's the largest automaker on the planet by market cap, followed by Toyota with $215 billion market cap. Can you see the difference between both companies now? Let me shock you even more. Let's take the top 10 automakers by market cap. So now we know Tesla is number 1, but let's see the other 9. Number 2 is Toyota, number 3 Porsche, number 4 BYD, number 5 Mercedes-Benz, number 6 BMW, number 7 Volkswagen, number 8 Ford, number 9 Ferrari, number 10 is Honda. If you take these 9 automakers, combine them together, their market cap is almost equivalent to Tesla's market cap. So this equal to all that. Let's go back to what happened with Toyota. In 2017, Toyota sold its shares in Tesla, big mistake, and started its own electric car division. They are even now helping another automakers like Subaru to electrify their cars. But after all these years and experience, does Toyota think that electric cars are the future? The answer is shocking, but no, they don't see it that way. And they have a different vision for the future. But it's a long story and needs its own video. Maybe this car was a failure in terms of sales and performance, but it was a very important tool for Tesla. Maybe it made the negotiations easier with Toyota to purchase the factory and take a step forward that seriously announced Tesla as a key player in the automotive industry. If you spent money on vacation instead of investing in Tesla stock, raise your hand and come here, stand next to me, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully next time we make a better decision, and see you in the next video.